Welcome to SeedProd, the best drag-and-drop WordPress website builder. Today we're pleased to announce tablet display options, teaser videos, and a host of new site kits for various niches. Our first new feature is something a lot of users have asked for: tablet breakpoints. A breakpoint is a signal that tells your site how to adjust its layout for different screen sizes. With a tablet breakpoint, you can change how your site looks on tablets to deliver the best experience for visitors. We understand how crucial this is for not only designing but also previewing your designs on tablet screens. And with this new feature, you can see how they look on tablets as well as smartphones and desktop devices. This means you can alter your designs to display differently on tablets compared to desktops and mobile devices. Additionally, you can hide specific blocks from showing on tablets, so if a section, row, or block is too distracting for tablet viewers, you can hide it for that device. Another exciting feature we've released is an addition to the video pop-up block, teaser videos. Now you can grab attention immediately by enabling the teaser video toggle in your block settings. Your chosen video will naturally play in the background, audio-free, creating an engaging way to draw in your audience. On clicking the play button, your video restarts with audio and video controls, allowing viewers to watch the entire video at their own pace. Alongside this is the ability to show a banner with a custom icon and text. It's an ideal way to invite users to click and watch your video in full. You can use this for product launches and demonstrations, event promos, and special offerings. Next up, in our ongoing effort to make SeedProd as accessible and user-friendly as possible, we're thrilled to announce that SeedProd is now available in 10 languages. We believe that language should never be a barrier to creating stunning websites and that you should feel seen and understood in your native tongue. We've added Spanish, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Polish, Portuguese, Russian, Turkish, and Netherlands, with even more translations in the works. And lastly, along with these features, we've also been working and growing our templates library. With 13 new additions, our total number of themes and landing pages is well over 300. Here's a quick look at the latest theme releases spanning niches like education, travel, food, and technology. We have a child daycare education, green earth environmental, curbside food truck, Bond Bloom relationship coach, artisan construction, Innovio tech blogger, Paintworks painting website, pros online author, learn well tutoring website, technician service, gardening home improvement, expeditions hiking, and Explore Era travel agency. We're truly excited about these new updates to SeedProd and are positive you'll find them equally as thrilling. The teaser video feature is available now to anyone with a premium SeedProd license. Simply update your plugin and dive in. Tablet breakpoints and translations are available to everyone, including SeedProd free users. If you're new to SeedProd, now is the best time to upgrade to SeedProd Pro and explore everything it offers. Thank you so much for your support and helping make SeedProd the best WordPress website builder.